Hello everybody, welcome to the class. In this section you will learn about money and currency. And what is money in English? Money is all the coins, bills, and cards that we use to buy things. Let's see the example about Colombia. In Colombia we have coins, 100 pesos, 200 pesos. Bill, 1,000 pesos. And what is currency? Currency is the money that is used in a particular country. Let's see here. The first example, you can see different bills, different colors, different people, different quantities. You see 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. And okay, what is the country? Australia. And what is the name of the currency? Australian dollar. Australian dollar. Next, Colombia, as you know, pesos. Okay, what about this? What do you think? In English, we say euros. Okay, euros. Coins and bills. Countries that they use euros. Germany, Ireland, Spain, Italy, all the countries in the Eurozone. Let's see the next one. What do you think about this bill? What is the country? If you see the animals, the pictures on the bill. The country is Egypt. Currency, Egyptian pound. Egyptian pound. You see? Egyptian pound. Continue. Okay, what is the country? I think it's very easy to identify the country. Brazil. And what is the currency? The currency is called Brazilian real. Brazilian real. Next. The country, I think, is very clear. This is the quantity. Canada. And what is the currency? Currency is called Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar. Next one. What do you think is the country? Based on the bill. This one is called Yuan Renminbi. Yuan Renminbi. And the country is China. The next one I think is very easy, or is easier to understand, or to recognize in this case. And the country is the United States of America. And the currency is American dollar. American dollar. Next. Okay, again we see here the queen, coins, bills. You notice here England. You can say England or United Kingdom. And the currency is called UK pound. UK pound. Next one. What do you think is the country? The country is Saudi Arabia and the currency is called Riyal. Riyal. And the next one, what do you think? The country is in Asia continent. The currency is called yen. Yen. And the country is Japan. Okay? Okay, my friends, I need that you watch the video and watch again, listen and repeat pronunciation. You will need it for the next class. Okay?